For the longest time, artificial intelligence was just something you saw in the movies, right? Far-off futures with talking robots. Well, that future isn't on the horizon anymore. It's here. It's woven into our everyday lives in ways you might not even realize. So that gets us to the big question for this explainer. Forget the headlines, forget all the hype. What is AI actually doing in the real world today? We're going to cut through all that noise and really look at how this technology is changing everything around us.
Okay, so first things first, there's this huge gap between the AI we see in movies and what's really going on. We're all thinking about sentient robots, but today's AI is way more subtle. It's the engine that picks your next favorite show, it's the smart assistant in your phone, and it's this powerful analytical tool working completely behind the scenes.
So here's our game plan. We'll start with the AI you're already using every single day. Then, we're going to zoom out and see how it's powering whole industries. After that, we'll dive into its wild new role as a creative partner. And we'll wrap up with the biggest question of all. Are we really ready for what's coming next?
All right, let's start where AI's impact is the most obvious, with the tools you probably use every single day, maybe without even thinking about it.
I mean, think about it. It feels like magic when Netflix just knows what you want to binge watch next, or when Spotify builds the perfect playlist for you. These things, plus assistants like Siri and Alexa, have gone from being cool new toys to just normal utilities. They're so integrated into our lives that we kind of forget they're part of this huge, ongoing experiment in using AI to understand us.
So what's the secret sauce behind those spooky good suggestions? Well, it's something called a recommendation engine. And its real power isn't just guessing what you'll like. It's in analyzing your behavior against millions of other people to actually shape your tastes over time.
The whole process seems like black magic, but it's actually a really clever data loop. See, you watch a show, that's the first step. Then, the AI crunches viewing patterns from millions of people and finds a little taste cluster of users who are just like you. So the AI isn't recommending what it thinks you'll like, it's recommending what people just like you already loved. It's pretty fascinating stuff.
Okay, so if AI can do all that for our movie night, just imagine what happens when you apply that same power to entire industries. This technology is becoming a total game changer in the professional world, optimizing pretty much everything from marketing to medicine.
You can see it everywhere. The main job of AI in business is to spot patterns in data that, honestly, no human could ever see. For marketers, that means ads that are incredibly targeted. In finance, it means catching fraud in the blink of an eye. In education, it's about customizing lessons for each student. But, nowhere are the stakes higher than in healthcare.
And this is where it gets really serious. I mean, we're moving way beyond convenience and into something that's absolutely critical. We're talking about systems that have been trained on millions of medical images, and they can analyze an X-ray with just incredible accuracy. They can spot tiny little things that a human doctor might miss. This means earlier detection, better treatment. It's a tool that is genuinely helping to save lives.
All right, now for what I think is one of the most exciting new frontiers. AI isn't just about analyzing data anymore. Now it's becoming this incredible tool for creating things. Art, music, you name it.
And this quote really nails it. This idea of democratizing creativity is a huge deal. For literally centuries, if you wanted to make high-quality art or music, you needed a ton of technical skill. But these new AI tools are tearing down that wall. The main skill is shifting from being a master technician to just being a great imaginer. And man, the toolkit for creators is just exploding right now. Text-to-image tools like Midjourney and DALL-E are everywhere, and we're just starting to see what AI video and music generators can do. These aren't just fun toys, they are completely changing how creative work gets done.
The wild part is how simple it is. You just type a description, your wildest, most out-there idea into a box, and bam! Seconds later, the AI spits out a totally unique piece of art based on just your words. It's this amazing blend of human imagination and machine power.
So that's what's happening right now. But where is all of this going? Let's zoom out and take a peek at the future, which is, frankly, pretty mind-blowing. When you look at how AI is evolving, it's really a story about scale. It just keeps getting bigger. We started with personal assistants in our pockets. The near future is all about autonomous systems, like self-driving cars that can navigate the real world. Further out, you can imagine entire smart cities run by AI, managing traffic and power grids. And beyond that, we're talking super advanced robots assisting in surgery with a precision no human could ever match. What used to be sci-fi is basically becoming a roadmap.
So here's the bottom line. AI isn't some fuzzy, abstract idea anymore. It's real, and its impact is massive. It's working on this whole spectrum, from the simple convenience of a movie suggestion all the way to the incredible responsibility of helping save a life.
The tech is here. We know it's powerful, but we've really only just scratched the surface of what it can do. So the big question I want to leave you with is this. As this all keeps accelerating, are we ready for what comes next?